Okay, this is the last module on the chapter 2, safety and then tools. Okay. I have a story about this module too. Let me. There's a couple of acronyms you need to know. ESD means electrostatic discharge. Okay. What is electrostatic discharge? Okay. Is the passage of a static electrical charge into a PC and PC component, such as a RAM stick or a motherboard. Okay. Basically, if a static electricity can destroy the sensitive parts of the PC, the motherboard. Okay. And basically, so when in order to avoid the ESD, what you have to do?
Ground yourself.
Ground yourself. Okay. Usually you have one like this: anti-static wrist strap, or using the anti-static mat. Okay. If you don't have, then commonly you can do is, touch the case, touch the case once in a while. Okay. Okay. So make sure you ground yourself. Okay. So this anti-static wrist strap and then this mat. I think nowadays the HP technician guy, they mandatory they carry this. Okay, especially when they replace the server or work on the server. Okay, they actually doing the using the anti-static wrist strap and then anti-static mat here. Okay, that's a mandatory. And especially when you deal with the server, some costs a lot in the motherboard, right? So they have to ground themselves. Okay, anti-static bag. Okay, when you carry the parts, okay, right here, I'm carrying the parts like this without any hesitations, okay, because it's dead. Okay. However, if it's alive, make sure you put the static bag, okay, and then the card, the video card. Make sure you keep the anti-static bag for the safety, okay, and then also make sure when you work on the inside, make sure turn off the computer power. Okay, unplug the PCs when you work on, okay. Not just turn it off is not enough, okay? Just shut down the computer is not good enough. Make sure you unplug the power source, okay? And the other one is electromagnetic interference, EMI, okay? So EMIs can destroy the data, okay? However, okay, previous one is ESD. ESD is very dangerous, okay? It can destroy the PCs, okay? However, EMI is dangerous too. However, it just destroys data. It doesn't impact the device, okay? The hard drive, you got the EMI, okay? You can just format it and then reinstall the operating systems and restore data. Okay. So that is an EMI. And the RFI, radio frequency interference, okay, if you're using the microwave, okay, that is a critical RFI for the wireless network. Okay. So that is an example. Okay, and the speaker also, that is the RFI interference. Okay. Physical safety, make sure take care of yourself, okay? I know you're strong, okay? I know you can lift the systems, 50 pounds, okay? Make sure you use the systems, okay? On the server here, there's a 1U and then 2U, okay? You can carry yourself, but no. Actually, there's a rule that on the data center, there's a rule that more than 2U or 3U servers, there's a weight, you have to use the body systems to carry. Okay, if there's a problem, then that's your problem. There's a unit. There's a 1U and 2U. There's a system that I don't know exactly. Over there, that server, that is a 1U.
This one?
Yeah, 1.75 inches, I believe. Okay, that is a 1U. And then 2U means a double.
Okay.
Okay? There's a Rexel right there. There's a 42 U's. You can stack it on that. Okay. So you have to use the tools. Make sure body system, and then you use your some kind of equipments that you can dongle or carry. What is that? What is called? Hand carry stuff. Okay, use that. Okay. And then I don't know what kind of skills is.
Maybe.
Make sure don't drink coffee on that. Okay.
Or maybe it's a water cooled system. Yeah, I don't know. My friend had
Uh-huh.
a water cooled, or I guess it was I don't know if mineral oil, but it was a water cooled system.
Uh-huh.
And when he was at school, it burst and it drenched the motherboard.
Oh,
So the motherboard went out, and he had to buy a new one.
Yeah.
It was an expensive one. It was really
and then
sad.
maybe a lot of rain and then flooded, and then there's damaged systems, and then call the building services. Okay, and the cable mass. A lot of cable mass here. Okay, honestly. Okay, but believe it or not, a lot of data centers is still masked. Some data center is very nice and clean, but I used to work at data centers, and then I know what the cable works, and then sometimes you have to cut the wires. You cannot pull the cables because it's so masked.
Wow.
Tweak each other's. And heavy items, lift with the legs. Okay. Watch out the obstructions. Okay. Try to avoid the hazardous stuff. Okay. And try to avoid this cable mess. Okay. Watch out the trip here. And checking the hot coolings. Okay. Do not touch. Okay. Sometimes it's very hot. Okay. You can hurt yourself. Okay. And the PC toolkit. If you're a PC technician, you should carry this kind of toolkits. Okay. There's nut drivers, Hammonds, Phillips screwdrivers. Okay. Flat screwdrivers. Other stuff. It's only cheap, about less than $20. Okay. You don't have to buy expensive one. Okay. So that's it. So far, any questions? No? You can.
Um,
Okay,